Let's start with the parent component. Here, we import Reactive and provide from Vue. We then create a reactive object called shared state with a count property initialized to 0. By using Vue's reactive system, we ensure that any changes to shared state's properties will be reactive and automatically update the components that use this state. Next, we use the provide function to make shared state available for injection in descendant components. The first argument to provide is the injection key, which in this case is shared state, and the second argument is the reactive object we want to share. Moving on to the child component. We begin by importing the inject function from Vue. With inject, we then retrieve shared state by specifying the same injection key we provided in the parent component. Now, shared state is accessible in the child component, and we can use shared state count within our template or script logic without having to pass it as a prop from the parent. This avoids prop drilling and simplifies our component communication. In a deeply nested child component, we use the same inject function to access shared state. This provides us with the same reactive state we defined in the parent component. To demonstrate its reactivity, we have a button in our template that, when clicked, will increment the count property of shared state. Each increment will be reflected in all other components that use this shared state, showing the power of Vue's reactivity system when combined with the ProvideInject API for state management. In summary, Vue 3's Provide and Inject API allows for a clean and efficient way to share state across a component tree. By using reactive state and provide in a parent component, and then injecting that state in child or deeply nested components, we can keep our components tightly coupled to their functionality while avoiding the complexity of prop drilling. This results in more maintainable and scalable applications.